Meet Vineet from 2020, an outstanding training manager who used to love Flash. He was very fond of Flash courses because of its outstanding animations. Suddenly, Vineet heard a prediction about Flash being obsolete. He was a little scared and thought a bit about the prediction, but his love for Flash continued and he used Flash without worrying. Then, there was the news of browsers being updated to HTML, which meant Flash was not going to be in use anymore. He got a little more scared and thought for a while. Then he got an idea of using the Flash player. But the Flash player brought a lot of hurdles, and internally, Vinith was ready to give up on Flash and switch to HTML. Like Vinith, there were different people from L&D department who were disappointed by Flash being obsolete. However, that is when Flash to HTML5 conversion comes into the picture. With this conversion, you can convert all your Flash courses into HTML5 very easily by following 4 strategies called record, republish, rebuild and redesign. To know more about Flash to HTML5 conversion, check out the link in caption.